Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can get code on Emergent AI. So first thing that you are going to do here is you're just going to type out your prompt. For example, build a simple HTML page that shows a list of products with images, names, and prices. Okay, so after that one, you'll be able to see this code option that you can see at the top. So all you have to do is to tap on this one, but make sure that building of the app is already finished. Okay, so after that, tap on the code option. So here is the link and your password. So all you have to do is to copy the password and then open this in browser. So tap on open in browser and it will be directed to the other tab. Okay, so right here you'd be able to see the emergent. We have the back end, the front end, okay, and then the other details of this code. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.